ዋጋኺ ክቡር እዩ ውርቃዊት ናጽነት ፍረ ናይ ቃልስ እዩ ናይ 30 ዓመት ታሪኽኺ ድሙቕ እዩ ኣቲ ወርሒ ግንቦት ብርሃም ኮይኑ ተገፊፉ ጽልማት ዮሃና ኢሌሬ ዮሃና ልደትኪ ፋኑስ ተውሊዓ ካብ ጸላሙቲኺ Your price is precious, golden liberty, the fruit of 30 years of struggle. Your history shines in May. The darkness faded and the light appeared. Congratulations, Eritrea, on your birthday. You lit the lantern and emerged from the dark. Workawit natsnet, kurat menetna, hiyab natsnetna, wahsnet salamna.